Coordinates: 36 degrees 31 feet or 8.3 inches and 5 degrees 02, 43.6 inches W, 36.518972 degrees and 5.045444 degrees west, 36.518972. -5.045444. Benahavis is a Spanish mountain village between Marbella, Estepona, and Ronda, 7 kilometers from the coast on the southern face of La Serena, the Ronda mountain range. Benahavis is one of the most mountainous villages on the western Costa del Sol, near the resort beaches as well as the spectacular mountains of the Serena de Ronda. Its terrain is traversed by the Guadalmina, Guadiza and Guadalmansa rivers. Places of great natural and historic interest are to be found within its boundaries, such as El Cerro del Duque, Diden and the Montemayor Castle. During the late 1990s, the Junta de Andalusia constructed a dam on the site of an old marble quarry. And now for much of the year the once ever-flowing Rio Guadalmina is a dried-up riverbed. At the end of the 11th century, Benahavis was founded by Arabs. The village was intimately involved with Andalusia's Arabic past, and particularly with Marbella, the municipal district to which it belonged until it was granted the so-called Carta Puebla by Philip II in 1572. Montemayor Castle, built prior to the founding of Benahavis, played an important role in disputes between successive Arab rulers in Andalusia. Because of its strategic position, it was disputed for many years by the various military factions of the time. Its prominent location overlooking the coast, with up to 100 kilometers of seaboard visible in clear weather, and even the African coast, was extremely useful at a time when piracy and invasion were commonplace. The town takes its name from Hafiz, an 11th-century Moorish prince who reigned in Montemayor Castle. The name Benahavis is derived from the Arabic, bin al-Hafiz, meaning, son of Hafiz. The castle's strategic location drew the attention of the Catholic monarchs, who were intent on conquering the last Moorish kingdoms in the south of the Iberian Peninsula. Isabel and Ferdinand's forces had already laid siege to the Nazarite kingdom of Granada, but they decided first to occupy the nearby province of Malaga. Soon after, on the 11th of June, 1485, Benahavis, together with the localities of Diden, Montemayor Castle, Cortes Fortress, Oj, Arboto, Almachar, Tramos and Calalui Fort, in the Sierra Bermeja, all within the district of Marbella, were handed over to King Ferdinand the Catholic by Muhammad Abuneza after the signing of the capitulation. The Catholic monarchs entrusted their custody to Don Pedro Villandrado, Count of Ribadeo, the first Christian mayor of Benahavis. From that moment on, a dispute arose between Benahavis and Marbella which lasted 3.5 centuries. Until Benahavis achieved the status of an independent community.